Hello and welcome to this video lecture on NVIDIA Nsight Compute, an advanced integrated development and debugging tool for GPU programming. In this lecture, we'll explore the comprehensive GPU profiling capabilities and integrated debugging features and insightful visualization provided by Nsight Compute. By the end of this session, you will understand how Nsight Compute can help you analyze, optimize, and debug your CUDA application effectively. So Nsight Compute offers a powerful suite for GPU profiling, allowing developers to analyze performance, bottlenecks, optimize code, and maximize the potential of NVIDIA GPUs. Let's talk about key features. So performance and analysis. Analyze the performance of CUDA application in detail, bottleneck identification, identify bottlenecks that hinder optimal GPU performance, code optimization. Provide insightful and suggestion for code optimization to enhance performance. Example uses. Styling a profile. We'll also show you like how you launch the Nsight Compute and like for GPU programming and like how you use GPU profiling and then insightful visualization. Okay, so in Nsight, if you're talking about launch Nsight, so compute from the command line or through an integrated development environment (IDE). Basically, I'll show you that also, and like how you launch Nsight Compute or like IDE through one command. Okay. Then after this, like Nsight Compute advanced debugging capabilities enable developers to seamlessly step through CUDA code, set breakpoints, and diagnosis issues. Step through your CUDA code, step through your debugging, step through your CUDA code line by line. Set breakpoints to pause execution at a specific line or condition. Inspect the value of variable at different points in your code. So, let's start our demonstration process. Okay, so go on any browser, and if you go on any browser, then here you can if you search techlatest.net website and then click on product and support page, then here you can find about the NVIDIA CUDA suite product. If you click on this, then in this lecture I use Azure VM. Depends on you like which one you use. If you use GCP development or AWS development, then you can follow this, or you can also follow this guide for Azure deployment. Okay, after this, what we have to do, we have already completed these all above steps. Okay, so go on step number 14. So the VM comes with the various NVIDIA utilities and CUDA utilities installed out of the box. To access the NVIDIA Nsight Compute, open the terminal from the RDP desktop window. We have already started our RDP desktop connection or remote desktop window. Okay, and RDP desktop window and run below command. This command will launch the Nsight Compute user interface. Let's see the match first. Okay, so copy this command, which is ncu/ui. Okay, and our terminal is also started. So if you run this command ncu, yep, ncu and /ui. Okay, if you run this command, then this will launch the Nsight Compute, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Let's move to our yep, here you can see that the NVIDIA Nsight Compute is started now. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to launch. Okay, so here you can see the screenshot, like NCI, like same command run here. Then here you can see like this is like how it looks in NVIDIA Nsight Compute. Then after this lecture, we'll also talking about like the NVIDIA Nsight system in another lecture. Okay, so yep, if you see this, then you click on this. So it will like you can see that the NVIDIA Nsight Compute. If you like click on default project, then here you can find about the default project also. And after this, what we have to do here, you can see that the disconnect option, terminate option, profile kernel option. Okay, and then here you can see the lot of options are also here, like baseline option, metric detail, launch detail. If you click on launch detail, then you can find about the launch details. Also open an insight report and select a profiling result that has multiple sub launches. Okay, and after this, if you click on debug, then here you can find about the lot of options like API statics, API streams. Okay, and if you click on profile, then here you can see the a lot of options like open file, start activity, new project, load project. Then if you click on tools, then here you can see the project explorer, output message options. Then if you click on windows, then here you can see that the save window layout, apply window layout, manage window layout, reset layout, default windows, show welcome option. Then if we click on connection, then you can see the connection of connect option also. Okay, so here you can see that the target platform Linux, like which OS you have to connect. And after this, uh, what we have to do, like if you click on file option, then here you can see that the new project, open project, recent project, save project, new file, open remote file, close welcome, close all file, recent file, exit option. Okay, so these all are the options available in NVIDIA Nsight Compute. So after this, what we have to do, uh, give me a minute, I will check. So close this window also, and then here you can see that the like NVIDIA uh, Nsight Compute window. If you want to start any activity, start a new profile, interactive profile system trace or other activity. If you want to open any file, then you can open any file. Like here you can see the following file types can be opened. Like if you click on open file, okay, so you can see that the files are open here, like the desktop documents, download music and other stuff. Then you close this window. Then if you click on new project, then here you can see that you can give the name and create directory, and like this is the location of your new project. Then close this one also. And if you click on load project, so here you can see that the like the directory and other stuff of the project. Then here you can find a lot of options like the kernel and other stuff. If you want to if you want some help, so you can click on help option also. Documentation local, check for updates, reset applications and feedback and other stuff, etc. Okay, uh, close this project explorer also. Close this welcome message also. Okay, and if you can see that the blank screen, so you can work this stuff. Okay, and after this, give me a minute, I will also check. Basically, Nsight Compute offers a rich set of visualization from timeline analysis to occupy charts, provide developers with deep insights and into their GPU workloads. And like what are the key features? So visualize the timeline of the kernel execution and other GPU activities. If you check this profile kernel option, so you can also check this profile kernel. Then after this, uh, visualize various performance metrics to gain a comprehensive understanding of your application behavior. Then if you're talking about time analysis, capture a timeline or an application execution, then visualize the sequence and duration of kernel execution, memory transfer, and other GPU activities. Then if you're talking about occupancy and performance matrices, to use occupancy charts to identify underutilized resources and opportunities for optimization, examine performance matrices to get a detailed view of memory bandwidth, latency, and throughput. Then if you're talking about practical applications, so let's explore some practical application of Nsight Compute. We'll explore these practical application in other lectures. Okay, so if you're talking about application optimization, if you're talking about performance tuning, use profiling data to fine tune the performance of your application, identify the insufficient code paths and optimize them for better performance. Then if we're talking about debugging complex issues, then leverage the integrated debugging tools to diagnose and fix complex issue in your CUDA code, the ability to set breakpoints and inspect variables, make it easier to find and resolve bugs. If we're talking about informed decision making, use the rich visualization provided by the Nsight Compute to make informed decision about code. optimization. The insight gained from timeline analysis and occupancy charts help you understand the impact of changes. So if you're talking about conclusion, so NVIDIA Nsight Compute is an indispensable tool for GPU developers, offers a comprehensive profiling, integrated debugging, and insightful visualization. By effectively utilizing this feature, you can enhance the performance and reliability of your CUDA application. Thank you for watching this lecture. We hope you find it informative and helpful for your GPU development task. For more detailed information and advanced features, you visit NVIDIA official documentation. You can also find the NVIDIA official documentation link on our website. So like where you can find, so click on go back. So there you can see the NVIDIA official document. Okay, I hope you guys did like this course and like this lecture and also previous lecture, and like stay tuned for more lectures, like more experiment lecture, demonstration lecture. We'll cover more things in this course. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And yep, that's all about this video. Happy coding.